This is a nice car. I'm going to tell you, hit to buy it now, because the only regret you'll have is if someone beats you to it. This is a dialed in, beautiful car. Right out of California, an aerospace engineer restored it. It's a 56,000 actual mile car to begin with. Body off frame, nut and bolt restored. It's so meticulous, the key buzzer works. He had a boot custom made for it that fits nicer. The original boots just don't fit right. Loaded with options, power windows, tilt, deluxe interior, fold down seat, gauges, big block, posi, upgraded suspension. It's gloss black underneath, cloth German top. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car, including this one, along with a monthly finance option to make it easier for you. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So this has the Rally Sport package on it, the hidden headlights, Super Sport package. I'm looking at pristine metal and paint. I don't know if you noticed, but there's a blue stripes on it. It's a Lemans Blue car, and it's got a little bit darker blue stripes. I don't know if you'd call them a ghost stripe. They're there. Beautiful. Excellent. Body is spot on. The paint is outstanding. The metal flakes all laid out real nice. Shuts real nice. No bubbles, blisters, nothing like that. What a good looking car. The 69 has some nice body lines. I don't see any cracks or damage. I see an extremely mild dimple coming up. They must have closed the trunk on something, and it's tiny. I'm sure a dent guy can take that right out. This is all pristine. Has the spoiler, stripes back here. I don't know if you can see those or not, but there are stripes. All of this is mint all the way to the bottom. It's polished like glass. All excellent shape, no rust, no damage. All fits real nicely. Shuts real nicely. So it looks like they replaced the trim around the window. The top, rubs on it, so there are some real mild marks starting. New glass, wiper arms are shiny, ice cube trays were replaced. All the emblems are sparkling. So it has optional bumper guards. Everything up here looks real slick. Has a front spoiler. The lenses are new. Upgraded with, I think, electric headlight doors. So they open and close real fast. Mirrors, handles, the fuzzy window strips, all of that was replaced. The chrome louvers. And it's sitting on some really nice wheels. BF Goodrich G-Force tires. And they are 17s. The car has a lowered stance. I don't know if you noticed that, but it is a little bit lower. It's a power top, upgraded to black German cloth. It's a nice rich look. Pictures of that on our website. Bumper guards, all the chrome's beautiful. Looks like the original tail lights. This trim here popped off. I just popped it back on. Might need a dab of glue or something. Reverse lights down below. That's part of the Rally Sport package. This is a beautiful car, and from what I've seen so far, it's dialed in. Let's open it up and see more. Folks, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the videos are posted. Let's keep looking at this car. It's awesome. So under the trunk lid's painted as slick as the top. Decals, weather strip, well liner, mat is all replaced. Not only is the mat replaced, but look how nice it fits. Usually they're buckled and they're just not in there right. And it looks like everything is painted gloss black, not with a spray can, but with a gun. It's all clean metal, painted gloss black. He took the wheels and he had some custom billet center caps put on with Chevy bow ties. The door jambs are painted real slick. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are new. It's a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panels. They look like they've been replaced. Power windows, which is nice in a convertible. Everything here is very nice. 56,000 miles. I guess I can't prove it, but he did say that's what he started with. Clock has quartz movement. Dash pad's new. Optional tachometer. Heater control panel looks nice. It's a factory AM/FM stereo. I'm going to guess it's a reproduction because it just looks brand new, so it might have some modern upgrades with it. Ashtray, cigarette lighter were replaced. So part of the deluxe interior is the wood grain trim as well. New inside there. This is our inspection sheet. It went through the shop. We'll get a final inspection before it leaves. Lights work. Kick panels look new. Again, not only new carpet, but it fits right. It's not wrinkled. Deluxe interior has the comfort weave seats. They feel great. Excellent console. Looks like some reproduction seat belts. A little smudgy, but they look new. 5-speed Hurst shifter. It's been upgraded with a 5-speed Tremec. So yeah, the seats, see how nice they fit. They're upholstered. New headrests. Backs of the seats, real nice. All the carpet back here fits real nice. It's all new. The armrest, the upholstery, and again, it all fits right. We have a new deluxe wheel and a tilt column. And before I go away, I almost forgot. We have a secret option here. The photographer didn't even know about it. He didn't even photograph it because he didn't know. Put your golf clubs there. So the motor is a 396. It's stamped CE. That's a factory replacement motor. That's all I know about it, but it is about 350 horsepower. Got aluminum intake on top with a dual feed. Looks like a Holley carburetor. HEI ignition system. Nice looking valve covers. The coated headers are in real nice shape. And look how nice everything's painted. All slick. All glossy. The front of the motor is real nice. Got a new alternator, pulleys, fan, shroud. All of that looks in great shape. Does have power steering, got power brakes. All the steering hoses look new. And under the hood is all gloss black. Really nice. So underneath the car, also super impressive. It's all gloss, smooth, shiny gloss black floors, sprayed with a gun, not a spray can. All the suspension's rebuilt, and it actually is lowered. Everything in the front end's new, and it does have coil-over adjustable shocks, so you can adjust the height. In back, it has lowering springs, gas shocks. A nice stainless steel, looks like about 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, very neatly installed. They upgraded it with disc brakes at all 4 wheels. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. New fuel system, new lines, I mean, you name it, it's been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It's a Tremec 5-speed transmission, all that looks brand new. Custom drive shaft. 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears. You need to hit the buy it now button if you're even thinking about it. This will be gone. Go to volocars.com and you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.